All right, guys, happy Thursday. We are on 12:09 now, and today we're going to talk about being precise with our answers. So, when we say precise, we're using appropriate math words, symbols, and units, as well as accurate calculations when we solve the problem. So, it's really going back and checking our work, making sure our units matched up because we're doing converting. So, we are using multiple units, so we need to make sure that we know that final unit we're getting to, and that when we write our final answer, we include the unit with it. So, how can we be precise? So, one, calculate accurately. You guys have been given the tools to know how many fluid ounces are in a cup or how many minutes are in an hour. You guys know these things. And so you need to make sure that you're using the correct numbers when you are converting. Give a clear answer. If a question is asking you yes or no, include yes, and this is why, or no, because of this. And then again, use correct units. If we don't include our units, we're not getting that question correct, okay? So real quick, we're going to go through one example. And so this example, so Chad and Rada are hanging a swing. Chad cut a piece of chain that is 6 feet and 2 inches long. So Chad, 6 feet, 2 inches. And Rada cut a piece of chain that is 72 inches long. I'm probably saying her name wrong, but it's fine. 72 inches. So, all right, so we know how long they cut their chain. So when they hang the swing, it's crooked. So we're going to use precise language to explain why, okay? But the first thing before we can do that, I need to go ahead and convert. So you can do whichever way you want, however you want. I'm going to start with 6 feet and I want to turn it into inches. That's easiest for me to do. So feet on the bottom, inches on top. I know there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So now I'm able to cross out my feet. And so then I'm going to multiply. So I can have 12 times 6. That gives me 72 inches. Now, remember, Chad had an extra 2 inches, so I'm going to go ahead and add that. So that gives me 74 inches. So 6 feet and 2 inches is 74 inches. Rada has 72. So, I mean, that's the reason why the swing is not sitting correctly. So, I now know the difference, but now I need to give a precise answer of why. Why is this chain, or why is the swing not sitting flat? So Chad's chain, we know, is 74 inches. So Chad's chain is 74 inches. Units, make sure we have those. But Rada's chain is 72 inches. Since Chad and Rada used unequal, good math word, unequal lengths of chain, the swing is crooked. All right, so in my answer, I am using units. I first of all converted, so my units are going to be the same. And I'm explaining why that swing's sitting crooked. It's because their lengths are not equal. So that's just a way to make you think. Use that language, use complete sentences to answer these problems and to answer your problems precisely. All right?